many people are aware of the great properties that Detroit and our metropolitan areas have to offer. However, if you want the best deals possible, then let Urban Elite help you. You'll gain valuable insight from an experienced leader with over 10 years expertise in this market. I am licensed realtor Shanita Moore, an investor myself. As a wholesaler, I will search for the best properties available right now and negotiate huge discounts from the sellers. To solve our problem of having hundreds of available homes along with dozens of willing buyers and few transactions. You see, by making the deals more attractive for everyone involved, the market thrives. Once Urban Elite gets the properties down to an investor-friendly price, we will then turn around and present them to our circle of buyers. On top of that, I am willing to list any properties for our investors on the MLS at a discounted rate once the repairs have been made and it is market ready once again. So investors and first-time home buyers out there, help us to beautify and maintain Detroit and its metropolitan communities. Join our circle of serious buyers and investors whom are willing and able to close on deals immediately. And sellers, if you really want to get your home sold, let's work together. Just go to www.metrodetroitinvestor.com now and leave your contact information. We can make a difference for you.